Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie in the pink shoes on Dress to Impress. Select this and color this color CAA284 and no adjustments, and then I selected this hair, the short hair here. I can just find it. This one, and EEBF9C in long, position the Z2.48. I did use some VIP items for this. So for the crown, I used obviously just the crown in white and this color 951C44 in glitter. First toggle, position the Y at 0.54, rotate the X to 0.51, scale it to 0.45. And then for the outfit, I used this one, turned off everything and colored it white in glitter, and then glitter in this color 951C45. Then I also used this top here in the second toggle in this color in glitter. And then I used this skirt here from Codes, this one in this color first, 951C45 in glitter. And then this lighter color, DC2A65, white in glitter. And then I did this color again. For the shoes, we're just going to use the ballet shoes over here in the ballet toggle. Colored it this lighter color, the lace white, and then the rest in that same pink color. Then I also used this in glittery, and then I colored the first one. I think I'll just do white actually, and then I'll do the like pink here. And that is pretty much it. If you want it without the VIP, you can just take this off. Or you can use this one in the same like pink and white color. But I do like this a little bit better. But again, this is just some options for you to do. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, guys. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.